The following message is being transmitted at the request of the White House in cooperation with the United States Armed Forces. At approximately 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they all started rising from the dead. Everybody. They have all come back. If you are alive and receiving this message, embrace them. Embrace them. Embrace them. Embrace them. Embrace them. Do not listen to them. These people are not human. Hug now. Use lethal force if necessary. Do not listen to them. These people are not human. Hug now. Use lethal force if necessary.